Hamas gives Israel the wrong body. Israel accused Hamas of giving it the body of the wrong person, instead of giving it the body of a woman who was kidnapped by this group and died in Gaza along with her two children. This group sent Israel that of another woman. The Israeli army, the IDF, announced that instead of receiving the body of Shiri Bibas and her two sons, including Kfir and Ariel, they received the body of another woman. On February 20, 2025, Hamas released the bodies of the people it claimed had kidnapped, including Shiri and her two children. The fourth body that both sides had agreed on was that of 83-year-old Oded Lifshitz, whose family members identified him as his. However, the forensic examination carried out by Israel confirmed that the bodies of Kfir and Ariel are the same, but the third one, which is said to be that of the mother of the children, was found to be wrong. It is an action that the IDF took as a breach of duty to bring back the bodies of the four dead people as they had promised, indicating that Hamas should immediately return the body of Shiri Bibas and the rest of the group's remaining prisoners.
The IDF announced that the Bibas boys were mock-killed in November 2023. Ariel was 4 years old at the time and his brother Kfir was 10 months old. They were kidnapped from their mother and taken from their home known as Nir Oz. The children's father, Yarden Bibas, was abducted earlier while trying to protect his family, but will be released on February 1, 2025, as part of Israel's agreement with Hamas to release prisoners. In the morning of February 21, 2025, the Prime Minister of Israel, Benjamin Netanyahu, revealed that Hamas brought the mother of one Gaza, showing that this is a violation of the agreement between the two sides. The bodies sent on February 20, 2025, were the first that Hamas had delivered since January 2025 when the peace agreement was signed. The deal includes Hamas releasing 33 people and Israel releasing 1,900 Palestinian prisoners. The war between Israel and Hamas began on October 7, 2023, when this group attacked Israel and killed more than 1,200 people and kidnapped more than 250 others, which led Israel to launch continuous attacks on Gaza, where more than 47,000 people have been killed so far.
twongeye kubahereza ikaze kuri Ivan Official. Reka rero mbakuritseyo mu makuru meza cyane y'icyongereza, mwabwirwaga n'abanyamerika bizi icyongereza. Reka mbabwire ngo n'amakuru mpuzamahanga, amakuru yizewe cyane. Mukurikeyo n'aba banyamakuru babiri, Liam na Crust, bari bavuye mu gihugu cya United States of America, babagezagaho amakuru meza cyane. Mbahaye ikaze kuri Ivan Official, gatanu kuri gatanu umunsi ku wundi, mwebwe twibanira. Murakoze cyane. Weho ukinguye icyano aribwo bwa mbere, usabwa gukora subscribe cyangwa se kwiyandikisha kuri cyano yacu Ivan Official, ugakanda ku nzogera, hanyuma ukajya ubu wa mbere wo kwibonera amakuru nkaya, ukaba uwa mbere mu by'ukuri bibonera inkuru dukisha ku muyoboro wacyo wa YouTube. Mbahaye ikaze. Ese abanyamakuru babiri batubwiraga ayahe makuru? Mbibutse neza yuko aya makuru arizewe cyane. Aya makuru aba yatangajwe n'ikinyamakuru cyitwa igihe.com kuva hariya hirya mu gihugu cya Rwanda. Mu by'ukuri ni amakuru aba yizewe cyane. Hanyuma reka nongere mbabwire ngo iyo turangije kumva amakuru mu rurimi rw'icyongereza, hari bimwe tujya tuvugaho mu rurimi rw'ikinyarwanda cyangwa se igifumbiro cyacu cy'inaha muri Uganda. Hanyuma twatangiye. Ese aba banyamakuru batangiye bavuga nguki? Batangiye bavuga yuko Hamas yahaye Israel umurambo utariwo. Karabaye noneho Israel ngo yashinjije umutwe wa Hamas kuyiha umurambo w'umuntu utariwo, ngaho kuyiha umurambo w'umugore washimuswe n'uyu mutwe agapfira muri Gaza ngari kumwe n'abana be babiri. Ngo uyu mutwe ngo wohereje Israel uwundi mugore. Ngo igisirikare cya Israel IDF ngo cyatangaje ko aho guhabwa umurambo wa Shiri Bibas n'abana be b'abahungu babiri, ni ukuri ngo bahawe umurambo w'undi mugore. Ngo ku minsi 20 y'ukwezi kwa kabiri umwaka w'ibihumbi 2025 ngo nibwo Hamas yarekuye imibiri y'abantu ivuga ko aribo yari yarashimuse barimo Nashiri n'abana be babiri. Ngo umurambo wa kane impande zombi zari zemeranyijeho wari uwa Odedi w'imyaka 83, ndetse ngo abo mu muryango we bagaragaje ko ari we. Ngicakora isuzuma ryifashishije ibimenyetso bya gihanga Isirayeli yakoze ngo ryemeje ko imibiri ya Kofiri na Ariyeli ariyo, ariko uwa gatatu bivuga ko ari uw'umubyeyi wabo bana ngo basanze atari we. Ngo ni igikorwa IDF yafashe kutubahiriza inshingano zo kuzana imibiri y'abo bantu bane bapfuye nk'uko bari babisezeranye. Igaragaza ko Hamas igomba guhita igarura umubiri wa Shiri Bibas n'izindi mfungwa uyu mutwe usigaranye. IDF ngo yatangaje ko abahungu ba Bibas bishwe urw'agashinyaguro muri 2023. Ngico gihe Ariyeli yarafite imyaka 4 gusa yonyine, mu gihe umuvandimwe we mwene nyina ngo yarafite amezi 10 yonyine. Ngo bashimutanywe na nyina bakuwe ngaho bari batuye muri ako gace. Ngo se wabo bana witwa Yadeni Bibas we yari yarashimuswe kare ubwo yageragezaga kurinda umuryango we, ngo ariko aza kurekurwa ku munsi umwe y'ukwa kabiri 2025, bigizwemo uruhare n'amasezerano Isirayeli yari yaragiranye ngo na Hamas yo kurekura imfungwa. Ngo mu gitondo cyo cy'iminsi 21 y'ukwa kabiri 2025, Minisitiri w'Intebe ya Isirayeli Benjamin Netanyahu ngo yagaragaje ko Hamas yabazaniye umubyeyi w'umunyegaza, agaragaza ko uko ari ukurenga ku masezerano impande zombi zagiranye. Ngo imibiri yoherejwe ku minsi 20 y'ukwezi kwa kabiri 2025 niyo ya mbere Hamas yari itanze kuva mu kwa mbere iminsi 20 kuva mu kwa mbere muri uyu mwaka wa 2025, ngubwo bashinjwaga cyangwa se kuko ubwo basinyaga amasezerano yo gushirwaho igihe cyo kubikorera. Amasezerano arimo ko Hamas igomba kurekura abantu 33 na Isirayeli ikarekura imfungwa zigera ku 1,900 z'Abanyepalestine. Intambara ya Isirayeli na Hamas ngo yatangiye iminsi 7 y'ukwezi kwa 10 mwaka w'2023, ngubwo uyu mutwe wagabaga igitero kuri Isirayeli ngo bikica abarenga 1,200, ngo abandi barenga 250 ukabashimuta. Ngo ibyatumye Isirayeli ihita igaba ibitero simusiga kuri Gaza, aho kugeza ubu bimaze guhitana abarenga 47,000. Niko abo banyamakuru rero batugezagaho ayo makuru. Murumva ibintu ntabwo byoroshye. Ntambara ya Hamas na Israel yahitanye abantu benshi cyane. Murumva neza yuko yahitanye n'abana bato n'umubyeyi bashimuswe bakicwa urupfu rubi cyane. Niko abanyamakuru bacu batugezagaho ayo makuru. Liam na Christ, mwakire amakuru mpuzamahanga kuri Ivan Official. Make sure subscribe, like, share, and comment to my channel Ivan Official. Guma ku murongo kugira ngo ujye wibonera amakuru nkaya.